Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to show a small tutorial how to create a ranking column in Power BI based on the total. So for that I will use RANKX DEX that also will be explained. So in my data source, it's a small data source which has country, target and total sales and allocated resources. So today I'm going to do, so based on the total sales, so I want to rank these countries and create a new column. Let's see how we can do that. So which is very simple, create a new column, right? So then I would say rank, and this is the DAX that I use, RANKX. So that's the DAX function. And then I want to give a table. So I use target table, the table that I use here. And then expression is total sales. I want to evaluate the total sales column, right? And then for the value, I don't want to give any value, right? And then the next parameter is I want to set it to, let's say, descending order, right? So because total sales, the highest total sales, the rank should be 1. So then descending order. And then here I use dense. Right? So let's see how this works. When I click it, based on the total sales, UK comes as rank 1. USA comes as rank 3 because it's the lowest, and the India comes as rank 1, rank 2. So this is how you create a ranking column based on the values in the based on the another value in a column, right? So thank you and keep in touch for more Power BI videos.